Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and let's talk about frogs, part of your leg series here on the Spine Corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So, frogs is something I would teach you when you're new to doing the leg series, but it is important that after you learn it, you kind of evolve from starting with it. So I included it in the flashcard deck for OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels because when you're new to the leg series, I do want you to spend some time learning the frogs. It's very easy to cheat on them and not get the most out of them, right? But then once you nailed it, which doesn't have to take very long, maybe a couple of times, remove it and just use the frog as an exercise, transition in and out of the rest of the leg series. Okay, so let's do it. The best way to get into the leg series from the Spine Corrector is actually here on top of the Spine Corrector. So I'm going to sit a little shy of the apex, put one foot on the step, one leg is straight out, and then I'm going to use my hands on the handles, have my head in, and kind of slide onto my shoulders. You bring your knees into your chest, heels together, toes apart, point the toes. Lift the hips a little bit if you need to, just make sure you've got security on the Spine Corrector. Now your shoulders should be wide, so you can use those handles to widen across the collarbones. And then you want to frog out as low as you can maintain a stable pelvis. What does that mean? I don't want you to frog out this low and then you're arching your back. I don't want you to frog up this high and nothing happens. So think of a low ceiling out there, frogging in and out, right? And you're squeezing your heels in both directions. Now, something people do as a cheat that I was mentioning earlier is they go out, then they drop the feet and they pull in. You want to take your feet in and out on the same trajectory. And then once you're good, you'll frog in, then you'd frog out to go into the next exercise in the series. So typically you wouldn't slide out like I just did to reset in between each leg series options. You would have a series, and there's a lot of exercise in the series. You can see that in the deck, but you would have your series that's right for you. You'll add in parts of that series as you get stronger. And like I said, the frog would evolve into being the in-between exercise. And when you're done, there is a rolling in and out that you would do. So you're not usually doing the leg series one exercise. You're usually doing like 3 to 5, sometimes more, depending on your level and your capabilities. If you have questions about this, put in the comments below. I go live every Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific time. I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so you never miss a live from us. And also, if you have questions and you're an OPC member, you can actually ask them in the members only community where we give you feedback on your form and hold you accountable to your Pilates practice. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.